Well, next topic, derived physical quantities. Definition for this derived physical quantities. The name itself, derived. Derived means what? Obtained. That means the physical quantities which are obtained from the fundamental physical quantities. Don't panic, students, here. Whatever the definition we are going to discuss here, that should contains the name itself. Observe. Derived. Derived means obtained. That means the physical quantities which are obtained from the fundamental physical quantities, which are depends upon fundamental physical quantities, are called derived physical quantities. The physical quantities which are obtained or depends obtained from physical quantities or depends upon physical quantities are called derived physical quantities. If you write here obtained, or it may be depend. So the physical quantities which are depends upon fundamental physical quantities are called derived physical quantities. So this is a definition for this derived physical quantities. Next, example for this derived physical quantities. Example, area, volume, distance, displacement, velocity, acceleration, force, momentum. So these are all our derived physical quantities like your work, energy, power. So these are all our derived physical quantities: area, volume, distance, displacement, velocity, acceleration, force, momentum, work, energy, power. These are all our, and so many physical quantities are there. So simple thing is, we had physics should contain several physical quantities. In these several physical quantities, except these 7 fundamental physical quantities, remaining all physical quantities are called derived physical quantities, which are must depends upon fundamental physical quantities. So how they can depends upon fundamental physical quantities? Let us see here. Area is nothing but length into breadth. Length is measured in meters. Here into is there. Breadth is measured in meters. That means meter into meter, meter square. Meter square is a unit of area. That means this length will be measured in meters, breadth will be measured in meters. That means this meter is, what is meter here? So already we discussed fundamental physical quantity. Meter is a fundamental physical quantity. That means area is obtained from fundamental physical quantities. That's why area is called derived physical quantity. Have you understood, ma'am? Here, whatever the physical quantities which are obtained from the fundamental physical quantities are called derived physical quantities. Next, volume. So let us take volume. Volume formula length into breadth into height here. Length is measured in meters, breadth is measured in meters, height is also measured in meters here. That means meter into meter into meter, that is meter cube. Meter cube. That means here length is measured in meters, breadth is measured in meters, height is measured in meters. What is meter here? Meter is a fundamental physical quantity. That means the physical quantity volume will be depends upon fundamental physical quantity meter. That's why volume is also called as here derived physical quantity. So like this, if you take any example here, these must depends upon fundamental physical quantities. That's why these quantities are called derived physical quantities.